How to download and install APK on your Android. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to install or download APK files into your Android. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your browsers and search for the APK of the app that you want to download. In my case, I'm going to go with Ludo Star, and then just write over here the APK and write download Ludo Star APK, and then you can just go back to your phone once downloaded. Now you have to search for file manager on your phone and choose the file manager, and here you have to click all files. Now choose internal storage. And then you have to click the search icon and search for APK. And then you have to choose the APK over here, and it's going to start staging the app. Here you can see it's giving me this prompt of security. It's saying that for security, my phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So you have to make sure you choose a trusted browsing app for the downloading process of APK file, because it can be malicious, and you have to go to the settings and allow the security for your file manager to download this or install this. And that's the process that you can follow to install APK files into your Android. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.